Hello everybody. Today we're gonna do a Pioneer Woman haul. I got my mother some stuff for her birthday, which just passed, and I thought we'd show it off. My mom was pretty impressed. We have a little butterfly napkin holder, which I think is super cute. I like it. I like the flowers on it. I'm a big fan of butterflies. I think they're a very healing insect. And then next, we have a spoon, which I bet my father would be jealous of. He likes to hang on to those. I think that's pretty cool. I think everyone has that favorite utensil, and mine is a favorite spatula, which is the next item that we're showing off. I have a spatula. It's getting pretty worn out, but it's the only one I like to cook with, and when I have to replace it, I'll be really sad. I can tell you that much. Then we have a little slotted Turner Pioneer Woman spatula, which I'm pretty sure is more for like hamburgers. I think that one would be if you were like cooking on a skillet. Then we have a whisk. That's for your baking. We like to cook in my family because cooking is made with love. And we like to eat a little. We try to eat a balanced diet, though. You know, I have a sweet tooth, but I still try to eat a balanced diet. And so I like the whisk here. I'll be excited to use that one. I like to make mashed potatoes, which we actually have a mashed potato masher up next that we have. I like to make them with butter and milk and mash them as I do that, and then whisk them with an egg beater, which is probably the only one we're missing out of this haul. Then we have a little tongs. I use them for baking if they're like just metal and there's no rubber on them for flipping bacon. I'm odd though, and that's if there's no rubber for it to melt. But the Pioneer Woman, it's really pretty, as you can see on the like reusable bag. They're colorful. Like they're kind of just my style. Well, I like colorful, but I also like Mickey, so I love these. I love them a lot. I think Pioneer Woman's a cool brand, but they have Disney cookware too, so I want to start collecting that. More of that. Then we have these little bowls. They're kind of for like side dishes. Or you could put sauces in them too. We got a whole bunch of those. We got this one. These ones are plastic, which I think is more if you were babysitting, you know, or you had nieces over, more kid-friendly. Or if you're just clumsy. We have some clumsy people in the family. And I would be the clumsy person at times. And then we have these ones, which are more glass. And they're super bright colors. We have like a red and a blue, a white. I like the orange and the yellow a lot. I think that's a cool one. I like this one here too. And the blue and orange is pretty cool. Then we have some kitchen towels by Pioneer Woman. I mean, we have like 4 different patterns here. I'm pretty big on the picnic one. I like that one a lot. It reminds me like of Andy Griffith's show, Little House on the Prairie. Kind of very like old school, and I like that a lot. I'm trying to think what other shows. It reminds me of like that new Annie of Green Gables show too. Like very old kind of, I don't know, just classic, but it still looks modern. So I really like that red one a lot. The blue's pretty, and then they have the white. And I suppose the red pattern really should remind you of that because it is Pioneer Woman with the patterns. I don't know. It's just there's something about them. They're very modern yet classic looking. I like the blue and the yellow. I like the red there. Then they have a little yellow polka dotted one, more simple. And this one's more colorful. So they have a whole mix, and you could even like design your kitchen to have like a matching color scheme. Apparently they have Pioneer Woman stores. Next up, we got like a mitt. And I like the mitts a lot. And the mitts, this one even comes with like another hand towel. And this one's a little like thinner. This one's softer, and this one's different texture too. So a few different textures there, and some are lighter and heavier. Get a good variety, have a whole themed kitchen. Then we have this over here, which is a rolling pin. And that's honestly the coolest rolling pin I've ever seen. I like that it's got like color on it. We're going to zoom out a little. And then down there is a Maline serving bowl set with lids. It looks like there's 3 of them. I like that a lot. I like that it has lids too. I feel like that's like a popcorn thing. You know, you throw your popcorn in there, you throw some salad, pasta salad. I can just picture all the things you can use with that. And then we got a nice toaster, and that's a pretty toaster. Like, that ain't plain Jane at all. And a scale. A mini analog scale, which I had no clue what you did with them until my mom told me. It's used for, like, weighing, like, your fruits and different things. And, oh, it's pretty. I think it's going to look good in my mom's kitchen. She's been redoing it, and I think she's done a good job. So she wanted a new matching theme to go in it, and I thought that was pretty cool. And I think we'll end on Buddy here saying goodbye. No, he's a little Himalayan. You want to say goodbye, Buddy? Bye, everyone.